Welcome to week 16. This week we're going to focus on getting things done more focused on the complexity of tasks that we need to accomplish. And we're going to use the Fibonacci number. We're going to use the Fibonacci numbers to help us with this. Thanks for being here. Here's our agenda for the week. And you'll notice here three things. I want you to add the numbering to your to-do list that you have every day, every week, etc. Update your GTD for this week and post a screenshot of that or a picture in the discussion board like we've been doing. But this time I'm looking for Fibonacci numbers to be added to each task, and you'll learn more about that in a moment. And then follow your GTD. And yes, so let's review. Take your daily attendance. Okay, theme this week, Fibonacci numbers, and you. Now we're going to skip these videos because they're really cool, but we'll talk about those. In fact, you probably saw one of those running in class when you first came into the room today. So we want to update our GTD, get stuff out of our head, and then sort it and organize it into our trusted system, which could be Trello, could be something else. But this time when we add the numbers, what we're doing is we're looking at a task, and a task that's going to be really quick, could take a couple minutes, would be maybe a 1. Something that's going to be complex that involves multiple people, could be an hour or two to complete it, would be like a 21. The idea is when you see a thing in your to-do list, if the number precedes the name of it, so 1 and then the title, or 21 and then the title, you'll see that, oh, that's kind of a bigger thing that is going to take more time or energy. And it may need to be broken down. But this just helps us organize all the things we need to do and tackle, but based on complexity. Okay? Reminder, structure is where success comes from. Don't feel bad about failing. If the structure is where the failure is, meaning you're not organized enough or something like that, it's not you, it's your system. So take a look at that and focus on one thing at a time and set a timer. Okay? Reminder, self-care is important because we love you, you're amazing, and these are trying times. And the thing I want to focus on right now is journaling. A great process for de-stressing is to journal. If you're not already doing that, you should think about doing that either digital or on paper, whatever works best for you. But the idea of processing, take a look at this at Banana Tree Log. Great resource. Boom. Okay. If you need to improve your score in class, if you're missing previous work, what I asked you to do in the past, and this still holds true, do another analysis blog post and then email me. And you can see the template for the analysis blog post at my website and identify which project in the past you want to replace. And that could be watching another film, listening to another song, playing another game, and then filling out the analysis worksheet completely. All right, in review, here's our theme and questions, and here are my sources. Thanks for watching.